Consumer Reports just released their 2026 SUV rankings, and 3 brands dominate the top 9 in ways that surprised even industry analysts. These aren't the SUVs with the flashiest commercials or the most aggressive marketing. These are the vehicles that scored highest on reliability, safety, owner satisfaction, and total cost of ownership. 9 SUVs that Consumer Reports keeps recommending year after year, and by the end you'll see which one scored perfect marks in categories that actually matter for real-world ownership. But first, you need to understand what Consumer Reports actually tests, because it's completely different from what manufacturers advertise. Here's what separates Consumer Reports from magazine reviews and YouTube channels. They buy vehicles anonymously from dealerships with their own money. No manufacturer loans, no special press cars, no accommodations. Then they put these SUVs through tests that simulate years of ownership. Everything from emergency braking in Connecticut snow to cargo space measurements with actual grocery bags and sports equipment. But the real value comes from their reliability surveys. They collect data from hundreds of thousands of actual owners across America. People in Phoenix dealing with heat, families in Michigan dealing with winter, commuters in Los Angeles dealing with traffic. When Consumer Reports says an SUV is reliable, they're not guessing. They're reporting what actually happens after people drive these vehicles for years, and for 2026, certain patterns emerge that can't be ignored. Mazda CX-50. Start with the SUV that surprised Consumer Reports' own testers, the Mazda CX-50. This compact SUV scored exceptionally high, despite coming from a brand that historically struggled with reliability. Consumer Reports gave the CX-50 top marks for driving dynamics. The steering feel, the handling balance, the refinement. It drives more like a German vehicle than a mainstream compact. But the reliability ratings are excellent. Early owner reports show minimal problems. The testing revealed something about usability. The CX-50 has less cargo space than competitors, but the space is more usable because of how it's shaped. Consumer Reports' cargo test involves loading actual items. The CX-50 fit everything, despite technically having less volume. Safety scores are comprehensive, and owner satisfaction scores are extremely high. People who bought this SUV report they'd buy another Mazda. A compact SUV that drives well, proves reliable, and holds value. That's why it made the top 9. But Mazda isn't the only brand exceeding expectations. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback lands on this list for reasons that matter to specific buyers. If you live anywhere with serious winter weather, the Outback scores higher than almost any competitor. Consumer Reports conducts winter testing in Vermont. The Outback excelled. The all-wheel drive system is always active, providing confidence where other SUVs slip. For families in upstate New York, Michigan, Minnesota, or mountain states, that performance difference is significant. The reliability data shows improvement over previous generations. Older Subarus had head gasket problems. The current Outback with the 2.5-liter engine has resolved those issues. The ground clearance handles rutted roads and deep snow better than car-based crossovers. The wagon format provides massive cargo space, more camping gear than 3-row SUVs. One detail that matters, the Outback's resale values are strong in snow states but weaker in southern markets. Consumer Reports data shows this regional value difference clearly, but winter capability isn't the only reason SUVs make this list. Honda CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid appears on this list for total cost of ownership. Consumer Reports calculated fuel costs, maintenance, insurance, and depreciation over 5 years. The CR-V Hybrid scores at the top. The fuel economy is the standout. Consumer Reports' real-world testing showed 38 miles per gallon combined. Over 5 years of typical driving, you're saving hundreds annually compared to non-hybrid competitors. The hybrid system requires no special behavior. You don't plug it in or manage battery charge. It just delivers better fuel economy automatically. The reliability ratings are Honda-level excellent. The CR-V has been one of the most reliable compact SUVs for years. Owner surveys report minimal problems. One specific advantage, the CR-V Hybrid comes standard with Honda Sensing, which works well enough to actually reduce driver fatigue on highway trips. But reliability alone doesn't guarantee a spot. Value matters too. Mazda CX-90. The Mazda CX-90 makes this list as the value alternative to 3-row luxury SUVs. Consumer Reports tested it against vehicles costing $10,000 to $15,000 more and found the Mazda competitive. The interior quality surprised testers. Materials and refinement approach luxury brand levels. Consumer Reports compared it to the Acura MDX and Lexus TX. It's competitive at significantly lower price. The driving dynamics are excellent for a three-row SUV. The CX-90 manages comfort while maintaining responsive steering and composed handling. The reliability data is limited because it's relatively new, but early reports are positive. Consumer Reports assessment: you're getting 80% of a luxury SUV at 60% of the price. Speaking of value, one Japanese brand consistently dominates these lists. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid appears on almost every Consumer Reports recommended list for a reason that matters more than styling or hype: long-term reliability. Among three-row SUVs, it consistently ranks at the top based on owner survey data collected over many years, not short test drives or launch impressions. Consumer Reports reliability ratings for the Highlander Hybrid are exceptional. Tens of thousands of owners report fewer problems than nearly any competing three-row SUV, especially in the areas that usually become expensive after warranty: powertrain, electronics, and driveline components. This is not a vehicle that looks good for 2 years and then turns into a money pit. It stays predictable, boring, in the best possible way. Fuel economy is another decisive advantage. Real-world testing shows about 32 miles per gallon combined, which is outstanding for a family-size SUV with 3 rows. Over 5 years of ownership, those fuel savings add up to thousands of dollars compared to V6 rivals that struggle to reach the mid-20s. In practice, the lower fuel costs offset much of the hybrid's higher purchase price. One key reason Consumer Reports trust the Highlander Hybrid is design stability. The current generation has remained largely unchanged since 2020. That matters. Proven platforms with minimal redesigns tend to age far better than vehicles packed with new, untested technology. Toyota refined what worked instead of reinventing it, and the reliability data reflects that choice clearly. Another underrated strength is service access. Toyota has one of the largest dealer networks in the United States. Reliability isn't just about how rarely something breaks. It's also about how easy and affordable it is to fix when it does. Parts are widely available, service costs are predictable, and downtime is minimal. The Highlander Hybrid isn't exciting, flashy, or luxurious, but Consumer Reports data shows that for families who want dependable transport, low running costs, and minimal surprises, it's one of the safest long-term choices in the three-row SUV market. That's why it keeps getting recommended, year after year. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot earns its place near the top of the three-row SUV segment through a combination that's becoming increasingly rare. It's genuinely reliable, highly practical, and still pleasant to drive every day. According to Consumer Reports, the Pilot ranks at or near the top of the three-row SUV category for overall performance. Not because it excels in one flashy area, but because it does almost everything well for real families. Reliability is the foundation. The Pilot's ratings closely match those of the Toyota Highlander for long-term consistency. Honda has been building this model for decades, and Consumer Reports has years of owner survey data to analyze. The results are clear. Pilot owners report fewer problems than average across nearly every category measured. The powertrain has proven durable, the automatic transmission avoids the chronic issues seen in many competitors, and overall build quality holds up well past the warranty period. This is the kind of SUV that racks up miles quietly without surprise repair bills. Where the Pilot separates itself from many three-row rivals is driving feel. Consumer Reports handling tests show the Pilot behaving more like a large car than a bulky truck-based SUV. Steering effort is well judged, body control is confident, and the suspension strikes a smart balance between comfort and stability. Braking performance is strong and predictable, even when the vehicle is fully loaded. For drivers who don't want to feel disconnected from the road just because they need 3 rows, the Pilot is one of the few options that doesn't feel like a compromise. Interior packaging is another standout strength. Consumer Reports doesn't just measure total cargo volume, they evaluate how usable the space actually is. The Pilot excels here. The cabin layout is logical, with storage cubbies, cup holders, and charging ports placed where families genuinely use them. The second row slides and reclines, making third row access easier than in most competitors, and adults can actually fit in the third row without feeling punished. These aren't marketing claims. They're conclusions drawn from hands-on day-to-day usability testing. Technology is intentionally conservative, and that's a good thing. Consumer Reports notes that Honda's infotainment system is easy to learn and refreshingly straightforward. Physical controls remain for essential functions like climate and volume, reducing distraction and frustration. As many newer SUVs bury basic functions deep inside touchscreens, this simplicity becomes a real advantage for buyers who value ease of use over novelty. Resale value is the final piece of the puzzle. Consumer Reports tracks what vehicles actually sell for after several years, not just projected values. The Pilot consistently ranks near the top of its class for residual value. That strong resale performance significantly lowers total cost of ownership, making the Pilot not just a sensible choice today, but a financially smart one long-term. Taken as a whole, the Honda Pilot isn't about excitement or image. It's about delivering dependable, comfortable, and intelligently designed transportation for families who plan to keep their SUV for many years. That's exactly why Consumer Reports continues to recommend it, and why it remains one of the safest bets in the three-row SUV market. Lexus RX Hybrid. The Lexus RX Hybrid makes this list as the choice for buyers who want luxury without the repair bills and that typically accompany luxury vehicles. Consumer Reports positions it clearly. This is the reliable luxury SUV. The reliability data is exceptional for a luxury vehicle. Most luxury SUVs develop expensive problems after warranty expires, complex systems failing, costly repairs at dealer-only pricing. The RX Hybrid avoids this pattern. Owner surveys show reliability approaching Toyota levels, which makes sense since it's essentially a Toyota underneath with luxury appointments. Consumer Reports tested the RX Hybrid's ride quality and refinement extensively. The results? It's exceptionally quiet. The suspension soaks up poor pavement smoothly, and the overall comfort level justifies the luxury positioning. For buyers concerned about comfort, especially as they age, the RX delivers without requiring frequent, expensive repairs. The fuel economy is excellent for a luxury midsize SUV. Consumer Reports' real-world testing showed 33 miles per gallon combined, which saves significantly on fuel costs compared to non-hybrid luxury SUVs that struggle to reach 25 miles per gallon. Over years of ownership, those savings add up. But here's the specific reason Consumer Reports recommends the RX Hybrid for luxury buyers. Total cost of ownership is dramatically lower than German competitors. The purchase price is competitive. The reliability reduces repair expenses, the fuel economy saves money, and Lexus dealer service is less expensive than European luxury dealer service. Consumer Reports calculated 5-year ownership costs. The RX Hybrid costs thousands less to own than comparable BMW or Mercedes SUVs. The resale values are strong because the reputation is established. Used RX Hybrids hold value because buyers trust the reliability. Consumer Reports notes this creates a positive cycle. Strong resale value means lower depreciation, which reduces total ownership cost, which reinforces the value proposition. But not every recommendation is about avoiding problems. Some are about capability. Ford Bronco. The Ford Bronco makes this list for a specific buyer with specific needs, and Consumer Reports is very clear about when this vehicle makes sense. If you actually use your SUV off-road, the Bronco scores at the top. Consumer Reports conducts off-road testing at their facility in Connecticut. Steep hills, loose surfaces, water crossings. The Bronco excelled. The four-wheel drive system provides genuine capability, not just marketing. The ground clearance handles obstacles that stop car-based crossovers. The approach and departure angles allow climbing over terrain that would damage competitors. But here's what matters more for most buyers. The reliability data for the current generation Bronco is positive. Early Broncos had problems. Roof issues, quality control concerns. Ford apparently resolved those issues. Consumer Reports' recent owner surveys show improved reliability with fewer reported problems. The practicality depends on configuration. Consumer Reports notes that the four-door Bronco provides reasonable daily usability with enough cargo space and rear seat room for families. The two-door is more compromised for daily use but better off-road. They're specific about this trade-off because buyers need to understand what they're getting. The fuel economy is poor compared to car-based SUVs. Consumer Reports measured around 20 miles per gallon combined in real-world driving. If you're commuting on highways, that's expensive. But if you're actually using the off-road capability, the Bronco delivers what Jeep Wranglers traditionally delivered: genuine capability with improved on-road manners. One detail Consumer Reports emphasizes: the Bronco has strong resale values because demand exceeds supply. Used Broncos sell for impressive percentages of their original price. That strong resale reduces total cost of ownership, which helps offset the poor fuel economy. For the specific buyer who values capability over efficiency, Consumer Reports endorses the Bronco. And the final vehicle on this list surprised absolutely nobody who follows the data. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid tops this list as Consumer Reports' highest-rated compact SUV for one simple reason. It's the best overall package when you weight all factors that matter for long-term ownership. The reliability ratings are exceptional. Years of owner data show the RAV4 Hybrid experiencing fewer problems than almost any compact SUV. Consumer Reports tracks 17 trouble areas: engine, transmission, electrical, suspension, brakes, and more. The RAV4 Hybrid scores well across every category. That comprehensive reliability is rare. The fuel economy delivers real savings. Consumer Reports testing showed 40 miles per gallon combined in mixed driving. For a compact SUV with all-wheel drive standard, that efficiency is remarkable. Over 5 years at 12,000 miles annually, you're saving over $1,000 compared to non-hybrid competitors. The practicality scores are high across all measures. Consumer Reports tested cargo capacity, rear seat space, ease of use, visibility. The RAV4 Hybrid performs well in every practical category. It's not the biggest or the fanciest, but it's completely adequate for what most people actually need from a compact SUV. But here's why it's number one. The combination of reliability, efficiency, practicality, and value is unmatched. Consumer Reports weighted all their criteria. Reliability counts heavily, fuel economy matters, safety is essential, practicality is required. When you calculate the total score across all factors, the RAV4 Hybrid tops the compact SUV category. The total cost of ownership is the lowest in its class. Consumer Reports calculated everything: purchase price, fuel costs over 5 years, insurance rates, maintenance expenses, expected repairs, depreciation. The RAV4 Hybrid costs less to own, over 5 years than competitors, despite not being the cheapest to purchase. That calculation reveals the truth about vehicle value. The resale values are exceptional. Consumer Reports tracks what vehicles actually sell for used after 3 years. The RAV4 Hybrid holds 65 to 70% of its value, which is remarkable for a mainstream compact SUV. That strong resale means less depreciation, which reduces total ownership costs significantly. One final detail that matters: availability. Toyota builds a lot of RAV4 hybrids, and they're available across America. You can actually buy one without waiting months or paying dealer markups. Consumer Reports factors availability into recommendations because the perfect SUV doesn't help if you can't actually purchase it. That's why the RAV4 Hybrid is Consumer Reports' top compact SUV pick for 2026. It's not exciting, it's not flashy, and it won't impress anyone at a cars and coffee event. But it will start every morning, get you where you're going efficiently, fit what you need to carry, and still be worth something when you're ready to sell it. For most people shopping compact SUVs, that's exactly what matters. Look at the pattern across these 9 SUVs. 3 are Mazdas, 3 are Toyotas, 2 are Hondas, and 1 is Ford. Consumer Reports bases recommendations on reliability surveys spanning years with hundreds of thousands of owners. The brands dominating this list have vehicles that actually hold up. The other pattern: hybrid powertrains appear repeatedly. Consumer Reports clearly believes hybrid technology is mature enough to recommend confidently. The fuel savings are real and the reliability data is positive. What's missing matters too. No Jeeps except the Bronco, no German luxury SUVs. Consumer Reports data shows those categories having reliability concerns that prevent recommendation. 9 SUVs that Consumer Reports recommends for 2026, from the surprisingly excellent Mazda CX-50 to the predictably dominant Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. These aren't the SUVs with the most aggressive marketing. These are the vehicles that score highest when you measure what actually matters for ownership. If this changed how you think about which SUVs to consider, hit that like button. And drop a comment with which Consumer Reports recommendation surprises you most. Real discussion matters more than marketing claims. Subscribe for automotive information based on actual data rather than advertising. Hit the bell because the next video covers the SUVs Consumer Reports specifically warns against. The vehicles scoring lowest on reliability and value.